welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I want to do another festive holiday glam type look for you today. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but I kind of have an idea in my head. So I do want to use this Sample Beauty, the Painter's Palette that I got from Beautybay. And I believe this was a free palette I got once I placed an order of a certain amount. This palette basically came for free. So I want to try to use red, but deepen it up a little bit, maybe with this burgundy-ish red. So this is Leo, and then this color here is Vino. So we're going to be using Leo and Vino today to try to create a look. And I'm just going to do the eyes, and then I'll come back on already made up with the rest of my face, and we'll see how the look turns out. So keep on watching. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do, because my eyes are already primed and set, so that's all ready to go, I'm just going to jump straight into the eyeshadow. So first I'm going to take Vino, because the Leo is a little bit brighter than what I'm going for, only because I want to use a red eyeliner and I couldn't find a red eyeliner, so I don't have one. And I did have this red lipstick from ColourPop that I'll try to use as my eyeliner, and we'll see how that goes. But that red is not as bright as the red in the palette, so I kind of want to make them match a little bit. So I patted it in first, and then now I'm just kind of going into circles to kind of blend it out a little bit. And then do it on the other side before I start adding the bright Leo in. Or the bright red in, which the color is called Leo. Okay, and I'm not going to take it too far in, because I do actually want this space here to be a little blank, and kind of keep that nude. I really just want the color to be on the outside. So now we're going to dip into Leo and try to brighten this color up a bit. Okay, so see how that brightened up a little bit, but it's not as bright. Okay, and that's all I want to do with the red. And then I want to take, I'm kind of going to cut the crease, but I'm kind of not. So I'm just going to put a little bit of this concealer from Tarte, and the color is 34S Medium Sand, just to kind of clean up my lid space a little bit. So I'm not cutting my crease, I'm just kind of placing this on my lid, just cleaning up the space where I plan to put the shade. It's called Spud. So it's this shade here, which is this beige shade, or like light brown. So I'm not creating any particular shape, just kind of spreading it around, cleaning it up a bit. Alright, so now let's go into Spud, and we're just going to tap that on. So I am placing that in the blank space, and then I'm kind of taking it over the red. We can go back into the red a little bit later. Okay, So we'll go back into the red. I'm going to jump into Leo and just hit the corner areas here and kind of go in circular motions. Like that. Not too much. And do the same thing on this side. Okay. And now I want to go in. I'm done. Like, that's all I want to do for my eyes. I want to take this now and try to create my eyeliner. So I'm going to go off and then I'll come right back to show you how that turns out. I'm back and this is a completed look. So what I ended up actually doing is, so once I put the eyeliner on and I used this ColourPop lip liner in the color Rinmen, and I used just an angled brush, and then what I did was I used the color Leo, the eyeshadow, to set it, and I used this small brush. So I just, once I placed the lipstick on, basically I just used it to kind of pat in there to set it. Also I used this BH Cosmetics eye lights in the color Gal Pal to just add some extra little bling to kind of sparkle up the look a little bit here. I didn't take it all the way, I just took it right there basically where that matte shade is. And I did not go too far out with the red eyeliner. I just kind of kept it in here so that you can't tell where it ends. I put on the Ardell lashes that I used in the last video, so if you haven't seen that, go check it out. And next, my lip. Okay, so for my lips, I used a color combo. Okay, so I used this ColourPop Lippy Pencil. This is a color Bossy. So this is like a bright red. And then over top, I used this, can't even tell who this is anymore. I want to say it's like Revlon or Maybelline. I can't see. But it's basically this light color here. And I put that on the center. So I lined my lips with the Bossy color. And then I put this on there to kind of get this mixture here that I have. And that's what's going on here. So just to kind of create a nice red festive look, but not too much, but still kind of blingy. So I like this. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.